Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Discord voice settings for noise suppression. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Discord application on your computer. Log into your Discord account if you aren't already logged in. Look for the gear icon located in the lower left corner of the interface. Click on the gear icon to open user settings. In the left sidebar, scroll down and find the voice and video option. Click on Voice and Video to access your voice settings. Locate the Input Device section. Select your preferred microphone from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Advanced section within the Voice and Video settings. Look for the Noise Suppression setting. Toggle the Noise Suppression feature on to activate it. You may see options for different levels of noise suppression, such as low, medium, or high. Choose your desired level of noise suppression according to your needs. Once you've made your selection, close the User Settings menu. Join a voice channel to test your new settings. Speak into your microphone to see if background noise is successfully suppressed. If needed, adjust the noise suppression level further for optimal performance. Your Discord voice settings are now configured for noise suppression. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.